You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stats. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that. Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked. Look, cook up like I'm Walter. Should've been on Breaking Bad. Look, step up in the room, you see the drip get hit with splash. She money coming quick, so she gon' throw that pussy fast. And I know niggas stitching for the cheese, they're a rat. You know me, I'm never switching, yeah. My body different. They like Sleepy, you a hero. Why they paint you as a villain? Cause they know my niggas elegant. Shoot up your residence. They love me in my city. Swear they treat me like the president. I ran me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. I know they don't like it how I came up from doing bad. Had to run me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. Gotta check like it's Nike, I just do it and never brag. You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stats. Police on me like a rash.
Smoke in the air, chrome in the sun, and the baddest trucks all in one place. Welcome to the 2025 Guilty by Association Truck Show, where burnouts shake the ground, trucking legends bring their best out. I'm Trucker DC, and I'm gonna take you guys along while we go and check out all these badass trucks. Let's haul, let's hustle, and let's ride.
Heard you got it, then I need that. I thought you push your teeth back, don't wanna hear no feedback, nigga.
Ain't no chit chat, you shine get your shit snatched. Them windows tinted, slide it down, they splitting like a Kit Kat. Look, I'm from the street, you take a L, you gotta get back. And they don't want beef, we pull up on them with Big Macs. You be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stats. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that. Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked. You say you be.
All right, guys. So as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff to buy, and now we're gonna go ahead and make our way over to the truck burnouts. Now, I've never been to a truck burnout, so I'm excited for that. And from what I've seen a couple of videos online, it seems pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead real quick and stop by, you know, the guys who have supported the channel from the beginning. We've got our guys here at Truck Parking Club. And if you guys didn't know, Truck Parking Club is America's largest app and company for truck parking. Now, if you want to use my code to get a discount, you could use Trucker DC. You get $20 off your first reservation. And Truck Parking Club is a big sponsor here at GBATS. They got a whole bunch of stuff right here, and their logo is all around GBATS, so you'll be able to see that. All right, so right now we'll stop by them a little later. We're gonna go ahead and catch this truck burnout show.
No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're on. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust.
Right here. Oh. All right, guys, so we are walking, currently here with my friend Kiren, who's also a trucker. Kiren, where you from?
Beatty, Kansas.
Beatty, Kansas. And do you drive as well?
Yes, I drive a 2016 389.
389, okay. What do you haul?
Mainly hopper. I haul liquid fertilizer,
Nice.
and we do hazmat and propane and hydrants.
All right. You found your favorite truck at the show yet?
Not yet.
Not
Still
even,
looking-
not even close.
I'm still looking for my uncle's truck. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be here, though.
There's so many hard options. And just beautiful
Oh, yeah,
truck
chop
after
tackle.
beautiful.
I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust.
That guy's in the burnout competition. Yeah, we'll go ahead and hop on over here and find a seat. Still about 30 minutes early to the truck competition, but I'm told it's gonna be pretty packed. So we'll get in here early, trying to find ourselves a good seat. Oh, there it is. Amin. That's the one I was telling you about, bro. This green, Amin.
Heard you moved out to South Carolina Atlanta just like you always said we would. And packed your bags in that old...
All right, guys, I'm here with Tarik. Their family has a family-owned business, Amin. He drives this beautiful truck. I just want to ask him a couple questions. What's the inspiration behind this truck, man? It's beautiful.
The inspiration, to be completely honest with you, at first,
Yep.
I really didn't know what color I wanted to go with.
Okay.
Honestly, I was thinking about going silver and orange
Okay.
prior to it, but my dad, he used to have a silver and green Peak long time ago, so
Okay.
he brought up the idea of that, saying you should probably just go back with that color scheme. So I was like, yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
So that's where the inspiration came from, and the design on my truck
Yeah.
is inspired by the Golden Nugget.
Okay. Did you guys have everything custom built, or did it kind of look like this when you got it?
It looked like this, besides the chrome, of course, but
Yeah.
I ordered it. It's 315 wheelbase. It's 2023 Kenworth W900L.
Okay.
315 wheelbase with a 605 Cummins, 18 speed, and
Beautiful.
342 rears.
Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes,
And
sir.
how long have you been driving?
I've been driving for 4 years.
How do you like it?
I love it.
Okay.
I love it. I've been around trucks all of my life, so it was inevitable that I was going to drive.
Yeah. Yeah. So what got you into creating content and I guess trying to promote your family's business in that sense?
Well, I really honestly started last year, but prior to that, I've always taken pictures of the trucks and just posting them here and there.
Yeah.
Like last year, I just wanted to hit the ground hard and just see what could come of me just posting all the content, and I'm loving the journey that I'm on right now. So it's
Okay.
been great.
All right. So tell us just a quick rundown of your trailer.
My trailer that I have a 2023 sliding spread axle Great Dane Tri-Temp. It's a super seal trailer with a carrier unit on it.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
You said, sorry, what year?
2023.
2023.
It's a Tri-Zone too.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
And how could they find you to follow your journey?
I'm on all social media platforms. Instagram, Tarik, TARIK_ALAMIN That's on Instagram.
Okay.
We're on YouTube, the T2 Complex, one word, THET2, the number 2 Complex. That's on YouTube. I'm on Facebook, Tarik Amin, TARIKALAMINII. I'm on TikTok, same, Tarik
thing.
Amin, TARIKALAMINII. And I'm on Snapchat as well, Tarik_1216, TARIK_1216. And LinkedIn, you gotta have a LinkedIn account.
Gotta.
No matter what. Tarik Amin II as well. So those are my social media platforms that you can find me on.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you for letting me interview you real quick and showing us your beautiful truck.
Appreciate it, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Yep.
We've been swinging and missing. It ain't broke yet, but damn, it needs fixing. Been a while since you kissed, felt like kissing. It's just different. We've been talking about forever since we've been together. Something about a ring makes you think we're better off with all this, but we're caught in between a rock and a hard place. Red wine and mistakes. Tears.
All right, guys. So as you can see, these are some sick trucks. Got this dude chopping right here. Right over here, they have a bunch of vendors. All right, guys. So we're over here. Got the little chickens behind us.
This where it mends or it breaks, between a rock and a hard place. For the record.
Right here, guys, we got a beautiful Kenworth owned by JSH Trucking. Got the white with the cherry and the two-tone. So right here, a little darker than that one, a little accent of orange right there. Stretched to the max, drop down to the ground. Beautiful truck. Next, we'll go ahead and go over and look at this yellow. I'm gonna call it Big Bird, but I don't know if that's really the name. This is also JSH Trucking. Beautiful yellow, looking like Big Bird. Kenworth yellow with the white stripes. Dropped to the ground, polished immaculately. and stretched. Got a nice detail with the protection of the yellow leather right there. Same on the tank. Same on the front of the tank. Just a beautiful truck all around. Capped off nicely with the swan.
Tears rolling down your face as I walk down.
Beautiful truck duo by JSH Trucking. Beautiful purple Kenworth right here. Nice dark plum with the lavender. Apologize for the camera, walking potholes over here. Over here to Oxby Trucking. Nice, just murdered out black truck. And as we keep going, got CTS Towing. A little newer Kenworth, but not bad. And we got two cab overs, got maroon with the cream and the gold. And they're both Kenworths. And right here we got a beautiful Kenworth. And an old school. They pulled this out of the brass, as you can see right there. I don't know if they have intentions of restoring it, but this is it at this state right now. As we continue, we got Zach Cooper. Beautiful Peterbilt right here. They also have a beautiful black with teal right here. This is also Zach Cooper. And they have another, also Zach Cooper, gray Peterbilt with the red trim on the inside. You can tell these are working trucks, but they keep them very nice. The quick disconnect on the glad hands. Nice combo by the Zach Cooper team. We'll go ahead and look at the interior in this. You can see that teal is taken onto the inside as well with the cowhide for the details. Beautiful truck. On the ceiling as well. Now this right here, guys, is a beautiful truck. 1996 Kenworth W900L, reborn in 2004. And the hood is a W900L Cal Induction Raptor. We saw this in the burnout competition, or sorry, not the burnout competition, tractor pull competition the other day. It is beautiful by JP. All right, Paige, take us around. Give us a tour. What do you see of the truck? What do you like?
Trucks.
Got the trucks on the grill. Beautiful.
A little tiny. It's really cute, like teal. It's like an aqua teal. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Beautiful. Got the teal
Cute.
carried on in the inside with the wood details.
Look at the pedals.
The name of this truck, guys, is Keeping It Teal, built by Todd DeVico.
There's no bed back there. There's seats.
Oh yeah, what the heck? And they're like the corner seats in the old pickup trucks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, nice seats back there with
We
the...
got AC control on the roof
Yeah.
and headphones. Those look like headphones for like shooting.
Oh, it's also got a flat bed on the back. Probably put a little car or golf cart on there or something.
Super cute.
Oh, and it's got an umbrella. Whoa, that's cool. Little umbrella. Yeah. Oh, that's what it is, headache rack. I thought it was like a little platform for golf cart or something.
Headache rack and flip. That's hard.
1967 Peterbilt 358M. This is real cute.
Right here, guys, got a couple of old trucks. Got a Freightliner cab over, GMC cab over right over there. Right here, we got a Chevy, and then we got a very unique Mack right here. Old school with the lights, Mack Thermodyne. Got that GMC over there making some noise. Nice cab over by Bible Farms. Loud and nasty. Right over here, gonna continue on to Ford and Sons with a very nicely done Peterbilt 359. Nice gray with the white combo and then the accents of the red. And of course, a lot of these trucks have the fifth wheel cover on them to match all the detail of the trucks. This one is called Killing Time by Ford and Sons. Ooh. Oh yeah, it does, huh? You can tell right through there. See the gap? Nothing right here. So you crawl in through there, or you can go ahead and get in through the door right there. Right here we got Modi's Excavating truck number 77. They got a couple of them out here. These are very nice trucks by Moats Excavating out of Riverton, Kansas. Got a white to off-white Peterbilt with the gray, black, and red trim. And we got this Kenworth right here with the almost gold and maroon. Nice truck combo by Moats Excavating. And then as a trucker, you hope you don't have to see these, but when you need them, you are very happy they're there. We have big rotators. I've had to use these a couple times to get out of sketchy situations, being stuck in the snow and things of that. But these are very nice. I think it's Schrader's Towing, and they are right here locally from Joplin and Carthage, Missouri. Right here, guys, we have one of my favorite trucks at the show. This is a cab over owned by Jackson County Tow Service. Just an overall beautiful truck. Long, low, and I love the colors, the attention to detail. Got the cream right there. You see around the wheels, got the blue with the orange. Just a beautiful truck. Right next beside it, we have the Hennef. Nice, beautiful working truck. Takes very good pride in it though, obviously. Hennef, they're out of Oak Brook, Illinois. Very nice, clean truck. bike. M&M Audio. Ooh, got a nice purple one. Oh, look at this. Saw this one yesterday. This shit's clean too. I didn't.
Hey, Kira.
It was called yellow.
Right here? Yeah. That's what I was about to say. Look. I was gonna say, yeah. Look at this one. Clean. Sorry, Ben. Oh, Tarik here. Hello, beautiful. Beautiful truck.
I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do.
I like the orange. Looks clean.
I drew a line for
The trailers out be home so they can have there.
oh, what a thing to do.
Beautiful. Oh, that's cool. We saw these yesterday. This Wallace, they got the old and new, like side by side to each other.
Oh, yeah, your skin and bone.
There is. It's just over there.
There's one.
Yeah. Oh, J&L. Isn't that what you said?
For you, I bleed myself dry. For you, I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine.
Wallace came to show out. I got the cab over Freightliner right here with the black, blue, and orange paint. Then they got the P right here with the flatbed on it. And they got the old right here with the tanker, old school and new school. Super nice combo. And then the interior of this thing, just beautiful. Got the cowhide, the matching color paint dash with the pinstripes. Beautiful. Now this is one of the nicest trucks at the show. This is Mize & Sons 2007 379 Peterbilt. Took 2.5 year frame off restoration. You can see the cat in there. Everything custom color painted. The cooler fan in there. You can even see their logo on the hood. There is so much money in this truck. It is so beautifully done. They have remote lube. So for all your lube points, remote lube, American Racing ATX Series wheels. As we move on to the inside, you can see just the paint all the way down.
She lit the black smoke and roll and I pour on the coal and she's blazing up the trail. You can bet all lines out on 65 will have a shade from the shine.
And as we move to the back, got a custom AR right there. Every detail was meticulously picked. Even that box under there wrapped in leather. American forged wheels underneath with the matching tanker right here. I feel like it's pretty safe bet to say they haul milk. Everything beautiful. You got 1 and 2. All right, guys, right here we have the Giddy Up by Rustaraj out of Marshfield, Missouri. Beautiful truck. It started its life as a Peterbilt 289 24 valve Cummins with P-pump, 5-speed transmission, 3-speed auxiliary in the back, 240 wheelbase. This thing is sitting on the ground. These are the type of trucks you see here at the Guilty by Association truck show. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the engine right here. Got a nice engine in there. I believe it said, yes, it started out as that truck right there. And they're called Rustaraj for a reason. This is the Giddy Up. Beautiful truck.
24 valve Cummins with a P-pump?
Yeah.
I got one girl from Philly, I think her name Nikki, and I fuck with Nikki, cause she not too picky, and she not too choosy, but sometimes she bougie, I play with a kitty, until it gets sticky. I'm moving the beat, chill like an alien, chop with the 50, my Uzi is red, say I turn to the boss, can't deal with no middleman, Anthony Davis, don't deal with the belly, straight out the mud, we got that work to turn you to the grub, you slow like a snail, you can hear with these slugs, I say how I feel, and I do what I want, and not just because it is what it was, I'm not like a Batman, but don't got no love, know you heard what I said, got the shit out the mud, I'm not in the streets, I'm just close with the plug, I just saw
Yeah, you might have to. How y'all doing? Good. Got a beautiful baby blue by Stacked Logistics. Almost all of these trucks, you'll see Chrome Shop Mafia on them. A lot of them get their parts from there. If you guys have any of these older trucks and you're looking for parts, check out Chrome Shop Mafia. My beautiful wife right here. Go, all right, babe. You're gonna tell us about this pink truck. Here, come on. Oh, look at that mint. That mint's clean. All right, babe, here. Here. So tell us about it from that sign. This is clean.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Pink diamond stitching. Got a handle for the gear shifter because all the guys like to hold balls and shift their gears. And we hold sticks. Probably can't put that on YouTube. Yeah. I know what I want for my birthday. I know, right? And look at the CB. It's pink. Oh my gosh. Gary, you see all the glitter on the ground? Okay, you.
Watch it out, babe. So this truck, guys, is owned by 8 Sec Express LLC. It's a 1993 379 Peterbilt, and this is every woman's dream. Beautiful, beautiful pink glitter. Got the black with the pink stitching, pink dash, pink everywhere. All right, guys, we are here with Kiren of Double Nickel Express. Kiren, thank you for letting me interview you real quick. Nice to meet you.
You too.
So what's the inspiration behind your truck, the year, make, and model?
All right, I always like Freightliners. I'm a Freightliner guy.
Okay.
First truck was an FLD.
Okay.
Got a Pete, sold it, bought this, got back to my roots.
Yep.
It's 2003 Freightliner Classic XL. Got a 6NZ Cat, 18 speed, 342 rears, front air ride, 316 wheelbase. She works.
Yeah, she works. She'll do what she got to do, huh?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been trucking for?
10 years.
10 years?
Yes, sir.
And what got you into trucking? Is it something you always knew you wanted to do, or it just kind of fell in your lap?
Always wanted the truck.
Okay.
My mom had stores back when I was a toddler, you know.
Okay.
I always loved trucks.
Beautiful. Oh, let's go ahead and walk down the truck, show us some of your favorite parts, and then we'll get to the trailer.
Okay, well, I kind of start the front, if you don't mind.
Yep.
Got the Dane Nelson buck shield.
Yep.
Got the Swan, you know, just some old school touches.
Yep.
Some glass watermelons.
Beautiful. Right up top.
Stainless boxes.
Yep.
7-inch straight exhaust.
Yep.
I did the smooth stainless panels, couple watermelons, nice and simple.
Yep.
Nothing crazy.
Clean, sleek, classic.
Right.
Yep. And what do you haul? This looks like a, let's see, grain?
End dump.
Okay.
Anything that fits.
Yeah.
Sand, gravel, feed, fertilizer, scrap.
Got you.
Even haul some apples before.
Okay.
So whatever fits, you know.
And what's the dimensions on the trailer?
40 foot long, 102 wide, 72 inches deep. It's kind of on the big side.
Yeah.
For most trailers.
Yeah.
There's only 2 more sizes bigger than this. Got a 40 foot spread, 30K axles.
Beautiful. And where, if they want to learn more about you or follow you, where can they find you?
Facebook, Kiren Morris.
Yep.
Kiren Morris. Same thing on YouTube, just my name.
Okay.
On Instagram, 2lane_train, 2_lane_train.
Okay.
And same thing on TikTok.
All right.
2_lane_train.
All right, so y'all go give them a follow. And I want to thank you for letting me interview you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Got a beautiful Ford CL 9000 on air ride cab. Beautiful cab over. How y'all doing? You mind if I record? Okay. Sorry. Beautiful. No, you're all good. Beautiful Ford CL 9000 right here. Air rod cab. You got one too? You got from Colorado? Oh, just Colorado place? Okay. I'm like, huh? Beautiful green truck. Jade Transport is the owner of this. They're from Winnipeg, up in Canada. Beautiful truck. They're called Jade Transport for a reason. This nice, beautiful green. As many of you know, trucking is extremely dangerous. And here's the crazy part. Over 6 million vehicle accidents happen in the US alone every year. That's millions of lives flipped upside down. And when it happens, trust me, those big insurance companies have teams of lawyers ready to crush you. That's why you need a big company to fight the big companies. That's where Morgan & Morgan comes in, the biggest injury law firm in America. They're truly for the people, and they don't just talk, they deliver. In 2017, down in Florida, they won $120 million for a construction worker who fell on the job. In 2018, in Georgia, a truck driver wrecked by another semi walked away with $91 million. And in 2020, out of California, they secured $20 million for a family after a devastating car accident. These are real cases, real people, and Morgan & Morgan went to war for them. The best part is, it's $0 unless they win. You don't pay a cent up front. The only time they get paid is when you get paid. That's why they never fold when they're up against billion-dollar corporations. So whether you're a trucker like me or anyone who's been injured, don't fight these giants alone. Hit the link in my description, call Morgan & Morgan, and remember, they're for the people. Now let's get back to the video. Oh yeah, the smoke coming right over it. Yep. Oh yeah. That was swings.
Why was that smoking?
help it start to spin.
Hell yeah. That was a good intro. Warm up the tires.
Oh, he's dripping slicks.
Yeah, look at that drone. Go, go, go! Yeah.
Broken just right.